Ewishan for aha Ghana TV GH, message or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime I post a video, bit say where we be. Charlie, in everything you do, Ewishan for, don't ever discount the power of unity. Hey, unity, no, very, very strong. And that is why I now understand why Bible monocono, when it came to the Tower of Babel, God said these people have come together, they are of one language, they are of one mind, and nothing that they set to do, and there is nothing they cannot achieve. Unity is solid. Unity, unity, no, any magic wand, no. Yeah. And the reason I'm saying this is Endra, Sunday. Now me preparations be say ne Monday no. Me kwa join other patriots hohwe. And our mission is simple. The current attack on the freedom of speech and expression. I cause war mine no. I be do Volta region. Say a central region bi akwakochi Zibono Bono East. Achi Crawford bebre Greater Accra for bebre crying and say I do Volta region. Now yes sister Baku.
This is a warehouse facility built under NPP, one district, one warehouse. Under that policy, this is ours. All municipal. One district, one warehouse. Yeah, NPP. Hey, do I? Me have to hear the
A friend, I think Rita or contested for Howe, but so yes, secretary, I think so. Howe. Apparently, no, she is been going around to showcase projects. Akufo-Addo Aban started John Mahama Aban we no, they are leaving it them to rot. Now, in the course of that, no, I say NIT say police, Ghana police for Amo Howe, any BNI for Omatu Musa friend say apparently, allegedly, the MC Howe no, or say on Tiasi say Obano yes idea, Mammy yes idea. Now, Mammy Numbra number explaining maybe onya access no to go and film all those things. So the whole might of the party NPP now we were going to land on our way. And I was reliably also informed say a general secretary, NPP general secretary Justin Kodia Frimpong had also alerted say Onusubeba. And everything was set. Me say now me saying Kopeko Shiabini Schnaps. And I compare red be. And me call me shut there see on the red cloth. Yeah. Me a pair white is been my year. Any braba. You could do one from Nana. Nana Poto body first. Nana Poto bo the first. Say me a comfort, sardina mefa. Nana Poto bo the first. Let's say the do. Nana Poto bo the first. It's a wild to me was Nana banana near Brion. And who's Nana near anyway gone. And Nana is feeling irate. And the 6 p.m. Tisatena. Rita announces say police force on war meeting BNT. And postpone indefinitely. I see okay. Still a baba. Say I can't BNI. Say BNI force rebel. Almost mama 10-13 years. And the baba. Someone about 30 minutes or something say. BNI force say almost postpone indefinitely. Share. Anka de ever see on anka pressure ye de microphone or no more. But next time, where about go? Charlie, let's be united. NPP say the moment we are united, the moment we show unity and conform we know almost through. Obiabwa. She elephants are my united. Wow. She. Tell me this. These are the latest, no. Or whoever or postponing. Now, say court case biano. We best the kind of unity we are going to show is going to scare them away and help us to resist the oppressor's rule. No, the time has come. Yeah, the time has come, and we will resist in every lawful manner. You need to. You need weapon bia. You need to me bia. All we know is the law. When I say the law is the law. Yes, sir. So that's all we hold on to. Ebusian for still pamucho mumboy na yen raise the face of our production through studio contributions, donations, no. Number no screen so with me boy Kitwa, right? Kindly help us as we do it, and we'll be proud. We will be proud of how far we have come as a family. Eda mwasina miyenu ndebia na mishiramo.
And when I buy you, I know the better social media say, already already save me, God save me, and this is for bet me, and run out of the better abontina, and no credit. I say, minority for by a press conference, and this is for say a grand so and so on. Yan ya casaba, I feel quite the men maybe on a mudiabu. And you buy and I invite sister.
I buy you, not something say, or call any video, no casemuni na hoy MC. And I call report and mass security agency say. Video na ya no ha no. The fact say anyema ni si hwa ye news na ha no. The problem is abayo ni nya ki we he. Oye den no nya access to the place. Enti BNI fon kwa hwehwe akire mo fra baba awaro na omumusa no kwa ofa so nya access to the place. No na ma baba awaro so the speed di asem ne beto social media say ye frɛ no because wa kwa koye video. MC no de hia no sa die no beye na nipa nya adwuma won mpeso aso da bi ababa wa ne ye de note bi kotwa video ni photo eno ne problem eno nti na BNI for no so e fra ababa wa no.
Okay, thank you. Minority leader there and some there no what can be which and some atwa na the otse and say Abronyas bill denial mirrors PNDC era prosecution. Was a PNDC mrane de na nka no no wo kan asem wa ye ha ye ho enkyerɛkyerɛm ɛhɔ no ma ya say ya fa nko gina fire squad fire near the AK-47 gigim near ku I think ya say ene yentimi fa nko gina fire squad nti wo ye ya say achew yachew no PNDC mre so de yachew ananka wo yira ba Mahama mre so de social media nti yentimi nchew ma wo nyira enti de ye no ase PNDC mre na ne asa de ababio na asa Ghana for so da ye bone na ewo NDC emamwe ya jo Mahama ebuyimu. Me moving on na me de ko Daily Post newspaper so da ha government rules out return of global debt market as IMF bailout ends. Me de kan say IMF ne de NPP for the no mko mu no abawie ye banyankopon adaroma Ebenezer ato is forcing asa force ya de yewura mu biem eti IMF ne de we die there aye de aye ne de we die there ye gina ho ani si ye gina ho ye ni baabi akọ ye ne IMF Ghana for ye bedo IMF awu aye ni baabi akọ ye ne IMF do no e ya atwetan NPP de yakọ NDC ba ombesan de gina ho. Thank you. Quality of water.
Abusia Mobakaya a few days ago, me betre mo how Sam George had 1 million coders program. No Ghana for Crown, did Ghana for dream. And no anajo new revelations ever told ya. Now these revelations so damning. Chrono pen is Chrono Sam George. Bobo the ministry honum and Yasam Ketwa. Now Monsa document we. If we Sam George in the ministry dated 8 January 2025. Now sa document we literally captures a near man. Sam George said or the Ghana for Yesika air baby. Now we share item by item, line by line. And this is cash near man no sale. Or se befim. Orebeho, chrono penny, dirimu penny, apple penny, and yasam ketwan. Now, sa document we who study documents way in isolation, you may not be able to unravel a yes karma, Sam George a pulley on Ghanaians. The document we wish in isolation, you may not be able to understand the magnitude of chronoa. Sam George Ebo Ghana for instance, what I did and say. I painstakingly went through the documents. Me really, and me far other information as Sam George and Ankasa. I provided in his series press statement, name press engagement, name media tour, what have it about a 1 million codes program. And I think so. Ghana Melbourne, register for this program, and somehow kind at internet and as well. Ubia TB, Ubia Hubi. And this video way, me babe ma comprehensive exposure. No what dream new chrono Sam George ebo Ghana for the ministry when the video no be like no share. Now one man who froze when you be a share na seven Americans waiting very important. And the answer is seven before see a beba a document in lay foundation way a be more same. She video we are bra near to us.
Each of the 16 regions. So in each of the 16 regions, we've got learning centers, bringing you to 130 learning centers. Now, for each of our learning centers, we're going to be deploying for a start 50 laptops that have been customized for the purposes of the 1 million coders. So it means that if you do the simple mathematics, today we'll be distributing approximately 6,500 laptops out of our current stock, which I've announced already is 20,000 laptops that we hold. Now, apart from that, and the main learning centers, we're also working very closely with academia. As part of the processes of rollout, working with the Honorable Minister for Education, I had a meeting with all vice chancellors of all public and private universities last year to discuss the possibility of rolling out this on our university campuses as well.
So what is Sam George here? Creating false impression. In fact, ODCV Ghana for deliberately said there are going to be physical learning centers, 130 across the country. Ghana, Melbourne, no back of on the answer from senior or Mube Kodi. Near Tosubium, so what is Sam George? The series of press engagement was a Ghana for throw over and over again. ADCV almost said training models no NDC abain nankasa or babe created that training models no. No ankasa apene learning materials or the bema participants we are wasing far a teachers better know how to code. In fact, Sam George is on record to have said same only in penifo modern tertiary institutions across the country I didn't see mu akasa. And it is our training way ever take place in tertiary institutions across the country. But only Melbourne register for this program kasa. Enya sanity cry, enya sanity. Sam George DCB Ghana for Sam George try and throw. Into who person who the magnitude of dreamer Sam George Ghana for. O person who a chrono Sam George ebo Ghana for scammer or pulling on Ghana for. And yema mi do na esa oti ase wo de 2-3 ansana ya go into a document ni ni ahwesika or se or the baba ye ne bi. Nti ne di kan yen se wo de 2-3 mu ne se. Sa a programmer NDC aban be coding training or baby training a Melbourne no models ne learning materials be anywhere a NDC aban dia utie Melbourne na almost say we register be almost be send no link no click so we be Coursera and apparently sa training models no ye Google for mankasa AI certification program internet and this way free now accessible to everybody will be able to take that training free I won't draw and no NDC a package or they Ghana for there wouldn't be any training model any training materials NDC kasaya or they Ghana Melbourne including and then any kind of the 2-3 now there wouldn't be any physical learning center. Ghana Melbourne no ba kwatena ho a teacher ni ba be gina nanim a kire na de. Uti your mom register na. Sam George send you on link and link is literally taking them to a baby a be taking a courses online. Into training it will take place online. It will take place online. Enya dia Ubia Babet no anymore, lecture be Babet no anymore, university BM so Babet from how to code. Into sign him away for 2-3 years. And on a year Babe establish how Sam George a pulley this camp on Ghana for Dreamer Odi Ghana for Chronoa or Ghana for. Now, Yanko Chrono Bonim, before say about documenting, yen share expenses as Sam George. I had da and no a border on Chrono Dream. any apple bo. Mook share video na me boy in a year. Sam George can say almost 130 learning centers. Now learning center be almost the 50 laptops in alcohol. In total, almost the 6,500 laptops and alcohol learning centers. Now, it is established that there is not going to be any physical learning centers. And we able take training, coding training, online. Into Yebusa Sam George say, so 6,500 laptops na wɔhe ɛhe fa no de akɔ laptops na ɛyɛ inferior or the Ghana sika chichiri di akɔtɔ a ɛbro presented to media no o able to kra no it took forever it couldn't boot mpu another two baby so laptops na when Sam George laptops no o pese wo kɔtɔn na wo di sika ne hye obotom ana sɛ den krono bɛ na pese obɔ Ghana fo wonim sɛ wo be training mabu no online in the abandoned saying wakwa laptops 6,500 that's what they call non-existing yet learning centers. In some just to come and give us explanation. Nimtia or these inferior laptops. Don't train baby as laptops in the world and any need kind. Now you go through a year document in them. Now document in ask from RFO. Osha item 4. No, item 5. Item 5 on the document. Sam George said, or the 50 million Ghana cedis and a monitoring of the year 1 million coders program. Programmer mobile online. There wouldn't be any physical learning center. And here in this year, vinyl and a creative models to be a provided learning materials be. A banner saying I won't hear 50 million Ghana cedis at the monitoring. I think a monitoring spirit at Humana. And as a moving here, rocket science equipment, now what they are monitoring. What at all? What kind of monitoring? And I'm here 50 million Ghana cedis to do. What bra a year training will take place online. Ghana for no, or my big training, they will be in the comfort of their home. And then this year, buying our teachers been here, or my more monitor. And you Google for program, I want online the that. I don't know, my brainstorming, designing these training models, a top notch international standard. In today, I'm all common at time, 50 million Ghana cedis. Chrono back, near those me. Osha item 3 Sam George so we here 10 million Ghana cedis. And they are talkers for 1 million coders. And again, training take place online. Unya cars de ayede cars ni mubechi online wa na ase den ana ase mo de be visiting mabunu no obi afie e de ahwe se omusua na ase den. Why do you need 10 million Ghana cedis to buy cars for programmer? It will be taken online training because online you don't need any physical movement to be so why do you need cars for this? And you see the money here very troubling. And I say share budget and so share document and so quantity of cars and they didn't establish, they didn't say be a talk cars 10 and now 50 and then cost 10 million or much of various. It's the number of cars a crime cost you more than 10 million Ghana cedis. Charlie, I will say now we call through documents now. A bad members of video never one. It's me the way we chat. You see, what's your first item now? Sam George is so we near 2 million Ghana cedis at their sensitization of SIM registration. SIM registration now. Or opposition no say I kwase asem say Ghana for go through any process na jimisem no or see wonya 2 million Ghana cedis the sensitization and say or catch Ghana for say eba SIM registration no wonya 2 million Ghana cedis abusia asfm ocean line after line like item by item. Sam George the office wonya 50,000 Ghana cedis can you see Ghana 500 million e dey anunsu in just 3 months. Another quarter or saying here 95,000 Ghana cedis. Can you see Ghana 950 million Ghana cedis? Ediano so keke. Just so bizarre. Nedebia name catch on and say. And that NDC be co-position. These thieves are conforming. Our move to Ghana, Sika left, right, center. They will have a lot on their plate to deal with. And some doors specifically, well, no, not so bad, yes, brutal.